Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. The link is in the bio. I have some treats there for you. Your word of the day is wisdom. It's time to ask for wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. At this moment, I challenge you to work smart, not hard. Go into your perfect place of silence where you pray, meditate, where you go out to the elements, however you communicate with Lord God, Spirit, Universe. Ask them for wisdom, knowledge, and understanding in the next step, because they're going to send you a download, a message, or a guardian angel, a person that's going to give you those wise words. But have a humble, teachable spirit where once you hear the words of wisdom, you act on it. It's going to make your life much easier. God has a plan for you, and I live in the here and now knowing that beauty is to come. I don't force things to happen faster than the universe has decided for me, and I learn from my experiences. Take small steps in faith and succeed thanks to my efforts. You succeed. I know you're ready for yourself to be a huge success, because I need you, and the whole entire world needs you to be also. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.